Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly unique, the 1992 Citroën 2CV. A car that stands out not just because of its looks, but because of the story it tells and the engineering behind it. Whether you're a fan of vintage vehicles, quirky design, or automotive history, this one's worth a closer look. So, what exactly is the Citroën 2CV at its core? It's a reinterpretation of the iconic Citroën 2CV, but with a 90s twist. Designed and produced in very limited numbers, the Citroën 2CV aimed to modernize a cult classic while keeping its unmistakable character intact. Right away, you'll notice the body still rounded and friendly, but with a bit more flair. The 1992 Citroën variant introduced smoother lines, updated trim pieces, and in some cases, custom fiberglass panels that gave it a more futuristic feel, at least by early 90s standards. It retained the charming, minimalist aesthetic that made the original 2CV so beloved, but added a hint of modernity. Think of it as retro-futurism on wheels. Under the hood, you're looking at a small air-cooled, flat twin engine. Yes, it's not going to win any drag races, but that's not what this car is about. The Citroën keeps the 2CV's trademark simplicity, with engine sizes typically around 602 cubic centimeters, delivering somewhere in the neighborhood of 29 horsepower. It's modest, but incredibly efficient. Plus, it's light, weighing in at just over 600 kilograms, which means it still feels lively at city speeds and is incredibly nimble on tight, winding roads. The ride quality surprisingly smooth, thanks to the 2CV's legendary suspension system, a combination of long travel and interconnected front and rear wheels that soaks up bumps like a much larger car. Driving one feels like floating over the road, even on rough surfaces. It's not luxurious, but it's charming, and it gets the job done with style. Inside, the cabin sticks to the 2CV's roots: minimalist, practical, and incredibly open. You'll often find simple fabric seats, a speedometer, and not much else. But that's part of the appeal. No distractions, no excess. Just you, the road, and a machine that's easy to understand and even easier to enjoy. The removable roof is another highlight. Just roll it back and enjoy a convertible-like experience anytime the sun's out. One of the most unique aspects of the Citroën 2CV is its role as a tribute, not just a reproduction, but a celebration of the original 2CV's design philosophy. It wasn't built to compete with mainstream cars. It was built for enthusiasts, collectors, and those who appreciate the blend of utility and quirkiness. Every curve and component feels like it's telling a story from a different era. In today's world of touchscreen everything and turbocharged complexity, the Citroën 2CV is refreshingly analog. It reminds us that cars don't have to be fast or flashy to be special. Sometimes, all it takes is simplicity, character, and a little French flair from a car that refuses to be forgotten.